Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, more than ever, people are looking for ways to diversify their income and build long-term wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 of the most lucrative side hustles you can start in 2025. We'll explore each hustle in depth, discussing the earning potential and the resources you'll need to succeed. So if you're ready to unlock your earning potential, stick around. First up, we have freelance writing. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, writing, really? But trust me on this one, with the explosion of content marketing, businesses everywhere are desperate for high-quality written content. Blogs, websites, social media, it all needs engaging copy, and that's where you come in. The beauty of freelance writing is that it's incredibly versatile. You can write about topics you're passionate about, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, it's a skill that can be learned and improved over time. To get started, create a portfolio of your best writing samples and start pitching clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. Next, we have online tutoring, a side hustle that's exploded in popularity in recent years with the rise of online learning platforms and the increasing demand for personalized education. There's never been a better time to share your knowledge and earn some serious cash. The great thing about online tutoring is that you can teach practically any subject you're proficient in. Whether you excel in math, science, history, or even music, there are students out there who need your help. You can find tutoring gigs on dedicated platforms like Tutoring or Schooly, or even market your services directly through social media or local community boards. And the best part? You can often set your own hours and work from the comfort of your own home. Now let's talk about dropshipping, one of the most popular online business models today. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without actually holding any inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You create an online store, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This means you don't have to deal with inventory management, shipping logistics, or any of the other headaches that come with traditional e-commerce. To get started, you'll need to find a profitable niche, choose a reliable dropshipping supplier, and build a professional-looking online store. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up an e-commerce store, even if you have zero technical experience. Chapter 4. Graphic Design. Turning creativity into profits. If you have a knack for design, graphic design could be the perfect side hustle. Businesses need appealing graphics for websites, social media, and marketing. The demand for skilled graphic designers is rising with digital marketing. Offer services like logo design, website design, and social media graphics. Build a portfolio and reach out to clients on platforms like Upwork. Presentation is key, so showcase your skills in the best light. Chapter 5. Virtual Assistant. The ultimate side hustle for organization masters. Are you a master of organization with a knack for getting things done? If so, becoming a virtual assistant could be your ticket to side hustle success. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This can include tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, booking travel, creating presentations, managing social media accounts, and so much more. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is that you can often set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. To get started, identify your skills and areas of expertise, create a professional profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and start pitching potential clients. Chapter 6. Social Media Management. Monetize your scroll time. Most of us spend a good chunk of our day scrolling through social media. But what if you could turn that scroll time into a profitable side hustle? That's where social media management comes in. Businesses need a strong social media presence but lack time or resources. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll create content, schedule posts, run ads, and interact with followers, analyze social media data, build a portfolio, identify your niche, and reach out to businesses needing social media help. Chapter 7. Imagine getting paid to recommend products you already use and love. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. You do this by recommending products through your website, blog, social media, email list, or other online platforms. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Focus on building trust with your audience by providing valuable content and honest recommendations. Now let's talk about real estate investing, a side hustle that can generate both passive income and long-term wealth. While it typically requires more upfront capital than some of the other side hustles on this list, real estate investing has the potential to generate significant returns. One popular strategy is to purchase rental properties. You can generate monthly cash flow from rental income and benefit from property appreciation over time. Another option is house flipping, where you buy undervalued properties, renovate them, and sell them for a profit. Keep in mind that real estate investing does come with its own set of risks and challenges, so it's crucial to do your research, understand the market, and potentially partner with experienced investors before diving in. If you have a car and some free time, ride-sharing or delivery services can be a flexible and potentially lucrative way to earn extra cash. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Grubhub allow you to set your own hours and be your own boss. You can choose to drive passengers around town or deliver food and groceries to hungry customers. The earning potential for these services can vary depending on your location, the time of day, and demand. However, many drivers and delivery partners appreciate the flexibility and the ability to earn money on their own terms. Just be sure to factor in expenses like gas, tolls, and vehicle maintenance when calculating your earnings. Do you have a knack for capturing stunning photos? If so, you can turn your passion for photography into a passive income stream with stock photography. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties every time someone downloads them. The key to success in stock photography is to upload high-quality, in-demand images that cater to a specific niche. Think about what businesses and marketers are looking for: images that are relevant to current trends, events, or industries. While it may take some time to build up a substantial portfolio and start generating significant income, stock photography can be a great way to earn passive income from something you enjoy. And there you have it, folks. 10 lucrative side hustles to help you increase your income in 2025. Remember, the key to side hustle success is to choose something that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find the perfect fit. The most important thing is to take action and start building your path towards financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on personal finance and making money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.